What's happening, workaholics? All right, we are here in Huntsville, Powerhouse Fitness, another new gym on the road to get all of them in America. The gym is pretty dope, super large, dumbbells going up to 150s in case you want to lift heavy. It's pretty dope. We got a whole separate area, like cardio, group fitness, got your sled, your turf, CrossFit style, and your heavy bag. Dumbbells range up to 150 pounds. It's a nice selection. All right, you got 3 showers in here and tons of lockers for all your stuff. Big ones too.